Hi crafty friends, I'm Sylvia from ScrappingSylvia here on YouTube and Instagram. Today I will be doing an unboxing for the month of March for a very fun event called Mermaids and Magic by Shay from Crafting with Shay and Randee from You Can Call Me Butter. Love it. I will write down I will link them in their channels in the description to the right. Okay, all right, so let us begin. So obviously it's called Mermaids and Magic, so it has to do with anything that could be magical. Okay, so it could be mermaids, fairies, Harry Potter. So anyway, so I decided to work on the Siren. It's a beautiful mermaid, so let me bring it up. You can see it, and it's called, it's from Diamond Art Club, and it's round diamonds. You always know when it's round diamonds because obviously the circle, and it's pink. Okay, and the Siren is by Mandie Manzano, and the shape is going to be round. Obviously I already said that, and the size is 55 centimeters by 73 centimeters. Okay, so it has a very sparkly box, and then over here, if you scan this, it'll unlock 10% off. And in the back, it tells you all the instructions, how it works. All comes in the kit, and so let's open it up. I'm very excited, guys, because I was actually waiting for this to arrive so I can do the unboxing, because remember, I have to start in March. So this is what, next week? So what's today? Today is Wednesday, so I have to start, and I probably do the kitting tomorrow. Okay, so let's get everything out. Okay, that's it. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera. Anyway, one thing that I have decided to do, which I haven't done, is when you take the box, when you take everything out, use the stickers that it comes with, because my friends keep telling me that I need to do this. My friend Vivian, take this sticker and put it at the end of the box or on the side. It doesn't matter. It's depending on how you put your boxes in. I think I'm going to do it on the end. So that's going to go right there. Okay. So let's move that aside. Move this aside. Okay, and this is just their basic toolkit. Let's see what's in here. They have upgraded their toolkit, so I don't know if this is the upgrade or if this is an older painting. So it comes with the tool bags. The drill bags individual, just in case you want to put the drills in there. Okay, and it comes always with 2 heart-shaped waxes in red. Put that over there. It comes with a diamond pen. Okay, and a little scrunchie, so to help you if you for your fingers if you suffer from arthritis, which I do. Okay, and a little tray, okay, for your drills. All right, let's open up this baby, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Okay, let's see. Oh, exciting. Okay, let's move that aside. Okay, and everything is in here. The drills, I've got the drills out. Okay, so these comes with the bag of drills, which we're going to look at. It comes with the instructions, step-by-step instructions. Okay, tips and tricks. Move that over there because we don't need that right now. And it comes with a piece of paper with the picture. Look how beautiful she is. Let's see if I can move this light so you can see it better. Oops, hold on, I turned it off by accident, guys. Sorry about that. Can you see that better? Move this one over here closer too. Okay, so look at this beautiful mermaid called the Siren by Mandie Manzano. Has a start date and end date. When you begin, you put the start date, and when you finish it, you mark. And then you can use this for your logbook. okay, just to keep track of what you've done. And then it comes with the stickers. It's already pre-cut. Let me show you. See? So it's easier when you put it on your containers. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's move on to the fun part. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me just try to open it this way first. Take a peek here, guys. Just turn it the other way around so you can see it better, so I can try to fly in it. Okay. All right. First, let's talk about the canvas, the back. The back is always, always, always very, very soft, guys. It feels very soft. Okay, and now let's turn it and see the beautiful painting. Okay. All right. Oh, by the way, very quickly, I wanted to mention, because Olivia wanted me to tell you guys, she made me this beautiful bracelet. So I told her I would wear it for the video, and I just realized that it's got a mermaid on it. See that? It's got a little seashell. Okay, thank you, Olivia. Anyway, so here it is, guys. It's from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. Okay, look how beautiful she is, guys. Look at this. Look at her beautiful long hair flowing. It's like she's floating. It looks like she's not even swimming. She's just basically like modeling or motionless, you know? So you can see her. Look at me, how beautiful. Look at her scales. And look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, but look at the tail. That is a beautiful, long and big tail. Oh my gosh. And all right, let's look. And it has the legend on the left side, on the upper left side, and it also has it on the lower right side. Okay. So then it has the numbers. So it tells you how many colors it has. It has 33 colors, and then the symbol and the DMC code or color code. And anything under 150, let me bring this up. Anything under 150 is considered an AB, okay, which means Aurora Borealis. And AB drills are basically are iridescent diamonds, which give you more shimmer. Okay. All right. So it looks like we have two ABs. So this one's 138 and 141. Remember, anything under 150 is considered an AB. So it has more sparkle. So it basically has 33 colors and two ABs. All right. Okay, let's bring her up so you can see how clear. See how clear you can see it? The numbers, or the symbols. No, not the numbers, the symbols. Okay. There's something about Mandie Manzano. As you can see, there's a lot of black. Those are going to be 310s. And all these lines, I like that because it brings out the painting even more with the 310s. All right, so let's see. It's double adhesive, guys. Let's see how sticky it is. Look at this. Yep, perfect. Look at that. Oh, wait, you know what? And look at how glittery the canvas is. I just noticed that. I don't know if you can see that. This light. Jesus. Okay, I don't know. It's just very, very, very sparkly. Okay. All right, so let's look at the, let's move her over here for now. And let's look at the drills very quickly. Okay, because it has lots of blues and greens. And who loves those colors? Moi. I do. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Are these in order? Oh my. Looks like they are in order, guys. Let's see. No, they're not in order. But anyway, okay, let's see. How do we start this? Let's start from here. So, okay, we have like a green, like I don't know, it's like a light blue. I'll just say the number, 991. Trying to see if you can see this better. Can you see that better? Oh my gosh. think I need a better lighting in here. Okay, so $9.91, $38.11. This is $37.60. It's like a very pretty blue. This one looks like it's a nice gray. Too many numbers, guys. I'm just gonna go do it this way. This is a lighter blue. This is very similar to this, but just a little lighter. This is an AB 141. It's white. Okay. This is a gray one. Lots of grays, lots of greens. Lots of browns, beige, more greens, tan, yellow, more browns. This is another AB, so it's like a blue. More browns, greens, orange. And let's see how many 310s do we have, guys. Of course. Wow. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 6. So 6 packages of 310. Okay. And then we have 939, which we have, oh wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those, which is like a dark blue. Very close to black. Then more blue greens. Oh, this is a pretty blue. That's pretty. Okay. More blues. I tell you guys, it's lots of blues and greens and blues and greens. All different kinds of blues and greens, which reminds me a lot of the Leviathan, because the Leviathan has lots of blues and greens. Okay, so let's move these aside. Okay, and we said the AB was the white one and a blue one. Okay, so let's look to see if we can find where they go, the ABs. Okay, so it's this symbol. This is how you find them. So it's one of the ABs is this symbol right here. So we're going to look for that symbol. Wherever you see that symbol is where that AB is going to go. See if I can find it. Oh, yeah, where is it? Let's see. Where are you, AB? That's interesting. I guess it's scattered because I can't find it. Could it be? Oh, there's some over here. Here it is. Some right over here in here. I don't know if you can see that. This light. It's like right over here in the water. And then the other one was 141, which is number 1. So wherever you see a number 1, where are you? Let's see. It's hiding. Ah, right here. It's on her body. Okay, it's over here. All these are number 1. So it's going to be on her scales, the ABs. And of course, I'm going to try to bling it out, guys. So I'm going to work with some sparklers and probably crystals. I'm not sure, not yet. But I'm thinking, what do you guys think? I should add some sparklers. I'm thinking that we need to add more, definitely on her beautiful tail. She needs more sparkles and more sparkles on her body, her scales. Okay, so on her tail, part of her body. Then also maybe some more in the water, I'm thinking. So yeah, and it's pretty big, guys. So I'm going to have a lot of fun, hoping to be able to finish this for the end of March. Alrighty. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.